Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing blocksevents.org or .site. So as you can see right here, we have it on our website and they claim to give you free Robux. So right here, to claim your free Robux reward, please follow these steps. So download Adapol app from the App Store, sign into your account, click your profile, enter the verification code, enter your username to complete the process. So this is very suspicious right off the bat, since why would you need to download this specific app to get free Robux? And the Robux they're claiming is very good, too good to be true. And there are a lot of sites like these which claim to give free Robux, but in reality, you're getting nothing at all. But in return, you're giving them your information. So please never log in your account or any personal information for that matter on sites like these. And as you can see here, malware tips, don't fall for the fake blocksevent.org Robux giveaway scam. So as you can see right here, they have an overview of the Blocksevent Robux scam. So scam sites like these are advertised through social media ads, and they also go over how it works. So advertising the free Robux offer, which is always step one, and prompting users to input their username right here. As you can see, enter your username, and taking users through verification, as you can see right here also, and never receiving the promised Robux, which is to be expected, since how can it be profitable to give away thousands of Robux without anything in return? So it is basically too good to be true, and because it really is, so it is a scam. So please avoid using this website and entering your password or your username or any personal information. So that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.